Can't log in through embedded browsers like Instagram or games? Here's the workaround. Are you using Android's WebView or another in-app browser? Let me know in the comment below. First, copy the login link and paste into Chrome or Firefox directly. Enable desktop site in your mobile browser. It bypasses mobile detection issues. Revoke the app permissions at facebook.com/settings. Then re-log in. For games, try logging in during off-peak hours. It is usually 2 to 5 am. Still stuck? Screen record the error. Facebook support responds faster to video proof. Success? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.